The way I see it, if you want the rainbow, you gotta put up with the rain. Many of life's foolers are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they give up. Not how long, but how well you have lived is the main thing. We are here to add what we can to life, not to get what we can from life. When you start giving importance to others more than yourself, you are already defeated. There are people who can do all fine and heroic things, but one keep from stealing their happiness to the unhappy. I may not have gone where I intended to go, but I think I have ended up where I needed to be. Your worst enemy cannot harm you as much as your own unguarded thoughts. Your future is hidden in the teacher's pen. Don't get lost in your pain. Know that one day your pain will become your core. That's my problem. I think too much and I feel too deeply. What a dangerous can be nation. Every day I burn some dishes and send some which every day. Never feel reserved for your one decision. If you will not respect your one decision, who else will envisage? Some people are going to leave, but that's not the end of your story. That's the end of their part in your story. Please subscribe my channel and watch these videos.